My dudes, my guys, my freaking boys. Y'all haven't seen this car on the channel yet. I don't think. This is my 1991 Civic Wagon, all-wheel drive, Vitara piston, Speed Factory rods, ACL race, oil pump, race bearings, built bottom end stock head car. Just got like a 50-something millimeter Turbonetics turbo on it. Honda S300, DSM 450s, blah, blah, just all-wheel drive Civic Wagon. We're hanging out with my buddy Gerson today. He's behind us in his Evo 8, and we're just gonna go take some pictures and a couple little video clips and stuff like that, and just me and him just hanging out. So he does like a bunch of video and photography stuff. You can check him out his Instagram. I'll link it right here. Talk about pics. Then he's also on TikTok. He does a bunch of TikTok videos and stuff like that. So yeah, this is gonna be a video for that. I hope y'all enjoy this one. This church right here that we're about to pass has like a lot of history behind it. It's supposedly where John Wilkes Booth like went to before he crossed over into Virginia. There's like a lot of history and stuff like that around here. But it's a killer view on top of here. It overlooks the river and stuff like that. If y'all want to see a video of me driving cool cars to historic places, let me know. I can definitely make that happen. That's definitely something I would be into too. Go on a little history lesson. But for now, we'll just listen to these sounds of car engines. Brakes are getting kind of spongy. Let's chill out. Let's chill out. All right, so now we're in the Evo and we're at this really sharp turn by this field. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go through it real slow and then rip on it after we get out. So I'm just giving them a second to get ready. All right, let's do the thing. Easy peasy. I'll turn around right here. We'll see if he wants to do another shot here, or if he wants to go somewhere else. I'm always like scared beating on other people's cars. Like I don't want to like send it, you know? These Evo 8s are fun though. Sound real good. This thing rev hangs crazy. I guess it's just how they're made though. All right, now we'll go park it up. He had the camera out when I was going that way, so. Oh shit, car. All right, at least the locals are nice. All right, let's pull back down there and see what he wants to do. Good?
Oh, that shit looks good rolling. Let's get some of yours.
All right, all right. You want to leave it running or you want me to turn it off?
Turn it off, bro.
All right.
Or else I'm gonna hear my car in the background.
True, that's smart. All right, so now we're just gonna do the same thing that we did in the Evo, but in the wagon. Get all the contents. brakes are getting spongy. Yo, we gotta relax on the brakes a little bit. Then we probably gotta get out of here before somebody calls the cops on us, because there is a house directly on this turn. God, what's going on with my brakes? My brakes are not happy. The guy that lives on this corner is probably definitely not happy with us. You said what? No, it's the axles are binding because it's too low. If it was a front wheel drive wagon, it wouldn't be an issue, but since it's a all wheel drive one, they bind. All right, we got some clips. Now we're trying to rush. He's right behind me. We're trying to rush to the next spot before the sun goes down because the sky's like perfect right now. So let's hope we can get there. My brakes are feeling very sketchy, so I'm trying to not use them. So I'll update y'all when we get there here in a minute. We're just going back down that winding road I was just totally doing the speed limit on. You just pulled up to this spot. Let's see if this will work, because I normally shoot down there, but it's not the sky over there. It's nice over here.
Bro, look at that.
That thing looks killer right now. The sun is like mint. Made it to one last spot before it gets too dark. This spot's super cool.
Oh, that shit looks good.
Yeah, right? So the sun's already down, but you can see like the whole rivers out here and stuff like that. And the only bad part is there's a graveyard right there. If the graveyard wasn't there, it'd be like the prime spot. I know for a fact y'all can't see me right now because it's dark, but we made it to that spot. We got a couple clips for his video. Now we're gonna head back. I think we're gonna take one more clip at nighttime with my car and then call it quits. So only like another 10-minute drive and then we can be done with it.